Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I am going to show you how you can do the SEO without any third-party tools, application or any kind of a website. So this method can be done by YouTube Studio itself. So all you have to do is just log in into YouTube Studio and look for the video with the highest views and watch time. First of all, I will show you the results of this method, and then I will show you how you can apply on your video. So I will select the video on which I did the SEO method. So here I will select the before and after period, and I have selected from 1st July till 31st of August. Before 28th July, if we look at back from 28th of July, you can see the views are not that much. Few dates it's crossing 50 and most of the time is remaining under 30 views. As you can see on 28 or 29 I applied this method, and you can see the results. After a couple of days YouTube started recommending this video to more people. It got more views as compared to this period. I did a very basic method on this video, and which I am going to show you right now. So what I will do, I will choose any random video. Let's take this one. It got 128 views. I will select this video. What you have to do is go to the reach section. Under the reach, if you scroll down, you will see the YouTube search terms. If you click see more, here you will see that search terms searched by people and number of views from this search. So for the YouTube video SEO, what you have to do is just copy all these terms and paste here in the description section. Also you have to put these on tags, so click on show more and paste here as well. So I copied just 2 tags for to just show you guys. So you have to copy all these. You can copy one by one and copy and paste on the notepad, and from the notepad you can take a bulk of these tags and paste over the description box of your video. Also you have to paste in the tags section as well. So here I showed you the video SEO. Now I will show you the channel SEO, which I did last month. How you can do this? Just click on settings and channel and basic. Here you have to put the viral keywords from your own videos. So how we can do this? Close it again, go to the analytics, and here select the last 7 days. So here you will see the video which got more views and more average duration during past 7 days. Here now you have to click again on a video and then go to the reach section, and then on the top search terms, under these terms you have to look for a search term which got more views during this specific time. So what I will do, I will copy again this. I will go back to channel analytics, settings, then click channel, and under the keywords I will paste this again and click save. So here you have to select another video, look for the top search terms, and then you can go back, copy, and under the settings, channel and keywords you can put. I can put around 228 keywords, so make sure you can put as much as you can the viral keywords from your top content during last 7 days or last 90 days. So that's it for today. These are the 2 methods which I used in my channel, and I can see improvement as my point of view, though it's not up to the mark, but yeah, there are bit changes as I showed you earlier in the graph of the videos in terms of views, and definitely in terms of watch time and revenue as well. That's it for today. Hope you guys like this video, and do apply this method on your YouTube videos, and let me know with your feedback in my comment section.